Ooh, all right. All right, my people. I've had a couple of you message me, actually a lot of you, that we are not doing any of our yoga. So I thought today would be a good day to do, we'll focus more on our yoga today. So focus today is yoga. So that breathing and stretching today, okay? All right. So when we breathe, try to breathe deep in through your nose and out your mouth, okay? But you want to deep breaths every single time. Deep breaths every single time. So let's reach up. In. Out your mouth. In, nice and easy. And out your mouth. Okay, we're going to go to the side, a side bend. Side bend. This is like a moon pose. Side bend, side. Make your body like the moon, like the crescent moon. Good. Up. Don't forget to breathe. Keep breathing. In through your nose, out your mouth. Now we're going to go other side. That side bend. Side. And good. Okay. All right, we're going to keep our hands up. We're going to go for our tree pose. So arms are going to be up. You're going to bring one leg up. You're going to put it either, you can put it anywhere on that leg, wherever you're comfortable. If you are not too balanced, you could keep that foot down on top of the other one. You can put it on your calf. You can put it on your knee. As far as you want to try to keep your balance. Keep those hands up. Deep breath in. Out. Balance. If you lose your balance, just put that foot back down and try it again. Try it again. Keep it. Keep it. And good. All right. Put that foot down. Let's try the other way. Okay? So you're going to bring the other foot up. Hands up, hands up. Try to find that balance. Find that balance. And then breathe. Keep that balance. Good, good, good. Keep going. And all right. Okay, bring that one down. Now, next one we'll do, okay, we're going to go, I'll show you sideways here. And what we're going to do is we're going to bend. We're going to reach forward or to the side. It's up to you. And then one foot is going to come straight out. Okay, so it's like a flying pose, okay? If I showed you straight on, here, I'm bending side, and I'm right here. You could keep your arms forward too. I think sideways the view is a little better. So foot, out, get your balance, find it, and hold it. Hold it. Sometimes it takes you a minute to find that balance. Hold, and back. Good. All right. Try the next foot. Next foot. Okay. So find that balance. Get it down. Bend. Arms. Leg. Find that balance. Find that balance. And then once you find it, hold. 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 And good. All right. Good. Here we go. So feet are going to be open, okay? And then you're going to point one foot. This is our warrior pose that we always do in our warm-ups, okay? So you're going to point this toe. You're going to bend the knee. We're going to look in that same direction. We're going to keep our arms out. We're going to bend that knee. And we're going to look out. And this is our warrior pose. Hold it. Deep breath in. Out. Out, in, and good. All right, bring it back. Now we're going to go the other side, okay? So point this toe out into the distance, arms out, face that way, and bend, and hold. 2. Deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in, and out. Good. All right. Next one. And I'll go side. And this is just a body fold. So you're going to reach up. You're going to slowly go down. You're going to try to bring your hands all the way to the mat. If they can't, or to the floor. If you can't reach the floor, just have your hands hang, okay? So try to go down. If you need to bend your knees a little bit, that's fine. Okay, but we're trying to go all the way down to the floor. Okay? Once you're there, just hang. Focus on that breathing. Breathe in through your nose, out your mouth, in through your nose, out your mouth. Good. And you're going to walk a little bit. So with one knee, you're going to bend one knee, and then bend the other one. Bend, 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 and good. All right. Now, you're going to step back a little bit, and then you're going to keep your hands flat on the floor, okay? So you're trying to keep your feet flat, but if they're on their toes, that's okay. And hands out, okay? And you're pushing on your hands, okay? You're pushing your hands. And this one's our downward dog. So you're going to push with your hands. Push, push, push. Breathe. Good. All right, from here, you're going to come straight. You're going to straighten out your back, kind of like a push-up position. But this is also called a high plank. High plank. Okay, so you're going to try to keep it straight. If it hurts too much, you can bring your knees down. Okay, but you want to keep that back straight, which means keep that butt in. So it's either here or up on your toes, like a push-up position, or some people call it a high plank. High plank. Okay, good. Same here. Now we're going to go to a high side plank, okay? Keep that body off the floor. Side plank. Breathe. Breathe. Good. Bring that one down. Go on the other side. Side plank. Side plank. Side plank. Good. Back to high plank. And now what we're going to do, we're going to go to high cobra. So you're going to look up. You're going to look up. If you need to bring your knees down to the ground, that's fine. Or you can just stay on your toes. But you want to bend that back. You want to look up. Look up. Look up. And good. All right. Back to high plank. Back to downward dog. Push. Okay, this time, we're going to take one leg. Okay. You're going to put it straight up. Okay. And hold it there. Hold. Breathe. Breathe. Good. All right. The foot that's up, you're going to bring it down slowly. You're going to try to bring it all the way up next to your hand. Okay. And now we're going to stretch right here. If you need to bring that knee down, you can. And you're trying to look up. You're trying to look up. Okay. Breathe. Breathe. Good. All right. You can take your hands. Put them on your knee. You're going to push that knee a little bit. Straighten out that back. Push that knee. Breathe. And good. All right. Hands back down. Okay, you're going to put that foot back into your downward dog position. Push with those hands. Push, push, push. All right, now we're going to bring the other foot straight up. Other foot. Try to balance. Hold it. Breathe. Breathe. And good. Bring that foot that's up. Bring it all the way next to your hand over here. Okay. Stretch. You can bring that foot down. Push. Push. Or that knee down, I should say. Good. And then hands to knee and push on that knee. Push on that knee. Breathe. And good. All right. Hands back down. Push on your hands. Bring it back. Downward dog. Push, push. Good. To plank. Okay. To cobra. Look up. Look up. Look up. And good. All right. Now on all fours, hands down and knees down. Okay, and then so we're going to do our cat and cow. So cat, you're bringing your chin close to your chest and you're rounding your back, kind of like a
scary a Halloween cat. Okay, so this is your cat. Breathe out. And then cow is the opposite, where you're gonna bring, now your head is up. You're gonna try to reach up or look up, okay? And you're sticking your butt out, okay? And you're looking up, and this is your cow. Cow. My little guys like to moo in this position. They go moo. Okay, cat. Cat, in. Good. And cow. Cow. One more. Cat, in. Cat, in. And then cow, out. Cow, out. And good. All right. Then from here, your cat and cow, if you bring your hands out a little bit and then you push back, okay, and you bring your head close to the ground and your arms out, this is your baby pose. This is called baby pose. And this is a relaxing pose. So this is where you focus on your breath. So deep breath in, deep breath out, deep in, and out. Good. All right. Come back to all fours. Now you're going to take one leg, and if I'm taking my front leg, okay, this is my front leg, I'm going to bring it straight out, okay, and I can even point my toe, and then I'm going to take my opposite arm, okay, so this is the inside leg to you, but my my outside arm, okay, and leg is going to be pointed straight out, and my arm is going to be the opposite arm. So if I'm here, see, one leg on one side, arm on the other side. So it would look like this. Okay, so I have one on each side. All right, so, and out, hold it, balance, 7, good, bring it in. Now the other one, other leg out, and arm straight out. Try to stay straight, body straight, breathe. And good. All right, bring it in. All the way down. Okay, so from here, I want you to bring your arms all the way above you. Okay, legs are out too. Point those toes, point those arms. And what we're going to do, we're going to bring our bodies up off the ground. We're going to do our Superman stretch. So you're trying to lift up every single part of your body except for your stomach, and your midsection will stay on the ground, but you want your knees, your legs off the ground, and you also want your arms and your chest up off the ground like you're Superman, like you're flying. Some people like to put their arms to the side. Maybe I'm saying some of us put them back. It's up to you and what you're comfortable with. Stay up, and rest. Bring that down. Good. All right. Elbows to the side, arms flat on the floor. And now you're just going to push your your shoulders and your chest off the ground. And this is a baby cobra. This is a little cobra. But if you want to do a big one, you put your hands and then you push. And you push that body all the way up around. This is a big cobra, or you can do a baby cobra, which is right here. But either way, you're pushing your body, your chest, your shoulders off the ground. And good. All right, back down. Next one, let's go elbows on the ground, toes on the ground. Then you're going to lift your body up. And this is a low plank. Stay here. Low plank. Good. All right, rest. Keep that elbow down. Now we'll go side plank. Okay, feet on top of each other, and bring that body up. Side plank. Some people like to put a hand up or here, whatever you're comfortable with. And good. And then the other side, elbow down. Okay, feet down, and bring that hip up. Okay. Stay there. And rest. Good. All right. On your back really quickly. to finish off, okay, you can bring both legs up, both knees up. You're gonna squeeze both knees. You can rock from side to side. You can rock back and forth. Whoop, there's our time. Good. And then last one. Let me shut that off, sorry. Last one that everyone really likes when it comes, if you took the yoga class, okay? It's just the relaxation part where you're just laying down, so your feet are extended, okay? They're resting. Your arms are at your side, palms up, okay? You're looking up, and you're just focusing on your breath, okay? So you're taking deep breath in, out. Some people end up closing their eyes, and you just stay here for as long as it takes you to calm down and to feel at peace, if you will, okay? So, all right, good. Well, that's our time today. You know, I only try to take you 15 minutes, which we did. I thought, like I said, I was getting messages. A lot of us were asking about yoga because we haven't done a yoga video. But that was one for you. Really simple, really easy. Don't forget to check in with me. Message on Dojo or my email. Let's make today's word yoga because that's what we did. So yoga is the word for today. Make sure to message me or email me. I hope we are all safe. Drink that water. Wash those hands. Yes, I think that's it. I miss you guys. Hope to see you in our near future. Wash hands. Drink water. Stay safe, my friends.